So we got the huge pump following on from my video 4 days ago where I said the time to buy Ethereum is now. Don't worry, it's still time to buy Ethereum. That is a medium to long-term time frame. I believe you still have another few hours. No, I'm kidding. Another few days, few weeks, even this side of Christmas is still, in my opinion, a great time to buy Ethereum. Let's follow on from where we left off in my last video. And of course, guys, smash the like button, have that bell turned on. This is where we're up to. And after I've played this 10-second clip so you understand where we are, I'm going to be giving you my updated key levels and price analysis for Ethereum. 491. So for me, a great opportunity for a long, whether it's low. By the way, you can see the price. We were at 2,492 4 days ago. Leverage or like a swing trade or a spot trade for it. Okay, all right. So we were at 2492. We were looking at this chart, this curved support line that's following it up. We're now at $2,624. So we got a nice move there. We got a move of about 7%. If you caught that trade, obviously, well done. Congratulations to you. If you want to trade, I've got links below. 𝗕𝗏𝗕𝗏, by the way, no KYC. If you're in the States or the UK, you can use that to trade. So let's talk about what is likely next. We got the big breakout. What I would expect in the short term, guys, is a little bit of a consolidation. I think the price needs to cool off a little bit. I was looking at the liquidation heat map. If you're not familiar with this, it shows where all the volume is in the chart, and we're stuck in between a resistance, I would say, of about 2,640 and 2,610, you could say. What generally happens with these liquidation zones is price is magnetized to the yellow zones. That's where the highest concentration of liquidity is in the market. People stop loss orders, take profit orders, liquidation, of course. And generally, you can see we're right in the middle of that. On the higher time frame, you can see that all the liquidity lays above. Yeah, there's some beneath, but generally, liquidity is it's magnetized where the highest concentration is. So for me, I'm seeing Ethereum probably likely to consolidate a little bit. I think it's probably wise to draw a fib level here from the low to the current high where we are seeing this slight pullback. You may see $2,500 tagged. You've kind of got this previous resistance support level through the chart. Could come down to that level. Could come as low, of course, as retouching our curved support line. So around 2,490. $2,500 is possible. What I was talking about in my last video, this one, the time to buy Ethereum is now, and I've talked about it in this video as well, by the way, Ethereum 2025 prediction. I suggest to watch that video. I've been focusing on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and in the last video I made, I mentioned that this level was super important for the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio, because it is a critical support level of this falling wedge that goes back a long time. It goes back from 2021 actually, and also on the more localized time frame, you actually have 1.618 fib level being tagged. So Ethereum did get a bounce off that level. I believe it will continue to rise against Bitcoin now throughout the rest of the bull market. You might have some chop in the short term, but generally it's a great trade, Ethereum in Bitcoin. And right now, really, Ethereum needs to make it back up to this key resistance, which will be around $2,750. If we go back to our liquidity map, you can see there's more volume there. Let me extend it a little bit to the daily on this liquidity heat map, and you can see that this zone here, 2660 up to 2712, is where the liquidity stands in the market. So my analysis for today and this week is very much neutral, but neutral brings a lot of opportunities. What do I mean? Well, this is what I would be looking to do as someone looking to make some money in trade. Of course, link below for 𝗕𝗏𝗕𝗏, no KYC. Get an exchange. You can do some demo trading on there. And then I would be looking to trade the range. So our current range is as followed. I would take it from there to there and I would be looking to basically trade this box. I think we're going to get some nice consistency within this level with a support of 2565 and resistance at $2,638. You can see by bringing the moving averages on this 1 hour chart, you can play those as well. So for example, what I would do is I would look at a short position here. I would enter at the top of the range. I'd bring in a stop loss. I would target the bottom, and the vice versa of going long, basically. So using the link in the video description down below, you can claim your bonuses up to $5,000 on Blowfin, no KYC, and you can use the demo trading features to try it out. I also have a Blowfin tutorial video. You can check that out as well. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will update you again later in the video, later in the week. So make sure you have your bell turned on. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.